What up, y'all? It's your boy Jay Cruz, aka the Audio Cat, here with another day, another video. Always want to thank you guys, first of all, for the support and the love y'all give this channel, man. Always thank you for sharing, always thank you for liking, and always thank you for subscribing to this channel, man. Stay tuned. We got a lot of big builds, crazy things that are going on. Now that we've expanded into the performance side of things, we're doing exhaust upgrade, we're doing spring upgrades, lowering kits, raise kits. We even got into pulleys, upper pulleys, lower pulleys, computer tuning, camshafts, a lot of different things going on in the shop, man. So stay tuned for some great content. Got two very big projects coming out the shop. One of them could be Jason DeLay's car, 6.1 fully built, could be a gorgeous car. Can't tell you too much, just stay tuned, man. But today we have this gentleman here. We flipped the camera. What's your name, man?
Keon.
Keon, what's your Instagram?
No Instagram.
No Instagram. How old are you, man?
24.
24, no gram. What do you have for social media?
Nah, man. I ain't got no social media.
No social media.
Low key.
Low key. Yeah, he keeps. You got a girlfriend?
Got a couple of them.
That's why he got no Instagram, y'all. But that's why he got no Instagram, y'all. But you know what? That's irrelevant to the case right now. Today we're gonna see what's going on. This is your beautiful Scat. So tell us about your car here, man. What you got going on with her?
Just want to get a, what do you call it?
You want to change that gap down, so you want to do a lowering kit.
Yeah.
So you want to drop the car down, okay? Because there's a couple options, man. But my suggestion is always going to be the Eibach. Going to give you the stance you want, but keep the performance right of the vehicle, man. Because to me, that's very important. Definitely 100%. The car is gorgeous in black, y'all. I want y'all to comment on this beautiful black wide body. I like all the colors out there. In fact, we got a blue one right next to this one right now. But something about the black just makes it pop a little bit different, man. We should call the car Midnight. That should be the name of this car. But yo, she's coming into the bay to get the lowering kit done, get this car ready to be dropped down, front, back, lowered, should be good to go, y'all. So stay tuned if we get to this build. Show you exactly what it is that we're doing in this car so you guys understand. My suggestion for me personally has always been Eibach. I love the brand. I love the writing of them. I love everything about them. So look at the kit here. I'm unboxing and show you exactly what it is that it does. All right, guys, so I'm about to open these up and unbox them so you can see exactly what it's like to have this kit here and what it is that she does. So you understand it. So we're about to get this moving, get this ready, and get this going situated. So right now we're doing the center line, measure the gravity, and to get this installed. That's not me talking, y'all. That's the Audio Cat channel in the background. Let me go unbox this for y'all. This here is the spring kit. So you could tell, let me come here. So you guys could tell it's these are going to be the fronts. These could be the rears right here. It's a complete kit, comes with everything it needs to get it done. Once this is installed in the car, he will have the lower stance on the vehicle and keep some of the drivability of the car. Some of the problem that you have when you drop a car, you're compressing the shocks of the vehicle. Depending on how low you go, but you compress them so it gives you a harder ride. With the Eibach kit, they give you enough where you have the look that you're looking for, but you still keep the rideability of the car. That's why I've always suggested Eibach. That's why I use them personally for most of my builds, and I've loved them for years. They've been out for many years, y'all. So look at the kit, cars in the bay, they'll get it rolling shortly. All right, guys, so at this point in time, I'm gonna go get y'all some footage in the back, but on this beautiful charge that we're doing this drop kit on, should be in the lift by now. Let's go see what they got going on. Let's go see what they got going on at this point. This is my day, y'all. Front and back, front and back. Yep, so cars on the lift already getting situated, getting ready to go. This is not an easy job, man. For y'all to understand, this strut that's installed here, you got bolts in the front here, and you got a bolt that's back there on the side to be able to remove this down, because that's where it becomes a problem to get it done. But it's not gonna be, nothing too crazy. This should be out of here shortly, but it's on the lift, getting it going, and getting rolling, y'all.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I don't like to be in the camera, but it doesn't even matter. This is a YouTube store. Check this out, y'all, because right now this is the strut. We just removed the, the strut housing. We're getting those spring out. To get a new one installed and get this going here, because it's kind of what it looks like when she's gone, y'all. Struts already removed, but right now we're in the process of installing the new springs to it to get it all situated. So this is where you're at. This strut is done. So that's what the spring looks like once she's installed. That's what she looks like here. The other one's also here. Done. And now we got to get them up on the car, put it back together, and get this lowering kit done. So keep on the process, stay tuned. So just to show you what's going on as they're putting it together, you can tell new spring is on installed here. That one's ready to go. They're working the last one, but just giving you an update. You can see the other spring is in here. And now show you the other side on this bad boy here, that this one is actually on also. So right now we're just working on getting that last one that he's working on right now, y'all. So shortly we will have this car out the door and show you what the stance looks like after the drop kit is done. We got a special guest in the building, man, with a black battle cat himself up here, man. Tell us what's going on. Say hi to the camera first, man.
What up, audio group?
No, man, come on, man. No, man,
And
he's
for the first time a black Hellcat wide body, and it is not mine.
That's it's on the lift, and it's not your first time you come and see one here. That's not yours. That's kind of crazy because your car is your car. My God, your car's been modified. Everything. That car's amazing.
Oh, just wait till
Mid-March, April.
nah, wait till May 4th.
In fact, you know what? Now that we got it in this video,
Reveal it.
let me actually come over here, Rob, because in fact we're gonna invite this young man too. This is the owner of the Charger. And we are going to tell them that we actually do a cruise every year, man. We do a cruise with a whole bunch of different kind of cars, Mopars especially, with Black Battle Cat, going out to a place called Tipton, Oklahoma. This year it's going to be happening on what day, Rob?
May 4th.
May 4th is the day we're officially leaving from here.
Yeah.
They're gonna have. We're planning on putting a car show together right before this event.
Right.
So the 4th is the day that we're leaving, which would be a Saturday.
Yeah.
We're gonna put a car meet together, man, just to have everybody come together, enjoy the time. Probably if it's the 4th, probably the 3rd. Stay tuned on Instagram for Audio Cat or actually the Black Battle Cat for this information. But this cruise is a little bit different, man, because it's a time that you get to fellowship with people with cars. Let's start with that. You get to do something different, get out the mindset of your daily routine, go to a small city named Tipton, which is like Radiator Springs on cars is what I would call it, man. And he laughs, but it's a small city. But I will tell you that if you want to take pictures of your car, that is a unique spot to take pictures. It's something like you don't even understand. So that trip could be happening this year, May 4th of 2024. We'll be putting the details on where to meet, how we're leaving, and what we're doing. But that's something definitely you might want to jump on. And also pay attention for the Tipton, Oklahoma car meet right before that, which will be on the 3rd. We'll set it up and get it going, man. So he sponsored this event. We support every year, man. Some people leave the same day. We actually stay the same day. We actually stay out there. Then we go out the next day and we go have a good time. We eat, stay in a hotel that night, and go explore something else in Oklahoma. So if you don't have the chance, I feel bad for you, but if you can make it happen, make it happen. You will enjoy it, y'all. So that's what we had on this one. And him, this is gonna call him Mr. Desperate, because now he's just waiting. He hears all this noise is going on, and he wants his car back. So it'll be out very shortly. I'm gonna go update y'all right now on what's going on with the Charger lowering kit. All right, guys. So we're getting ready to turn in the car to my young man here, man. And let's see the results. Let's come outside and see what she looked like as she comes up here, y'all. Guys, this is her. Now you see what's going on. She is now dropped correct. Now you can see the fitment is perfect. So he has a good fitment on the car, looks a lot lower, and it still hasn't even sat down yet. But I could tell you one thing, she is phenomenal. The car looks fabulous, y'all. The car definitely looks fabulous. I love it, y'all. Man, I don't know. I think it's just the black that makes me love this car so much, but it's definitely a beautiful, beautiful build, y'all. Look at that. All the way around. Damn. Look at this angle from over here, man. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo.
What's going on, man?
She looking good. Y'all, just like that, this is done. I'm very grateful for it. Guys, rock and rolled. Now we're gonna talk to him and get this reveal done. Y'all stay tuned. Guys, so we showed him his vehicle. What you gotta say?
Hey, that's the results right there. That's all you need to, you know.
Are you happy with the results?
Yeah.
That's all that matters. The car looks ridiculous.
Yeah,
I'm telling him right now, I'm looking at this car, man, and the car looks phenomenal, y'all. So
that's all you need to say right there.
That's it. There's nothing to say. Yes, you want to say something? Look at the car.
Look at the car.
That you guys talking about, man. We always want to thank you for the support here coming to the shop, man. We always want to thank you guys always for watching too. Always thank y'all for the support, man. Until the next video, y'all be good. God bless.